Most people try to change their lives by dragging their past along for the ride. They make new plans with old patterns, set new goals with old doubts, and chase a better future while anchored to habits that built the version of them they're trying to outgrow. Real change doesn't happen when you keep looking back. It happens when you start asking, what would the future me do? Because the version of you who already has what you want thinks differently, moves with intention, and doesn't entertain the same fears or limitations. Truth is, your life expands in proportion to how often you act like the person you want to become. So ask yourself, are your daily choices a reflection of who you've been, or a rehearsal for who you're becoming? Choose wisely, my friend.